Here is my group of peeps.
And dog.
Putting a speech together is difficult for a lot of people, no matter the topic. It is important to remember that there are three main parts to creating a speech. The three parts consist of an introduction, the body or the middle, and a conclusion. I am going to go more in depth with each of these sections. The introduction should be about 10 to 15% of your speaking time. It is the most important part of your presentation, and it will set the tone for the rest of the presentation. In this section, you want to tell them what you are going to tell them. It is the primary purpose to capture the attention of the audience. You can do this by asking a question, sharing a fascinating fact or startling statistic, quoting someone, or to share a personal story. You want this part to be creative and original. It needs to be an attention getter, and then after you do that, introduce yourself. State what your presentation will be about and what the major points will be. The introduction has to accomplish a lot, but it needs to be brief so there's plenty of time to do the main points. You need to have a smooth transition into the body. The body should be about 75% of speaking time. The body is the main part of your presentation. In this part, you tell them. Explain your topic. Information is presented. Audience needs to be allowed to follow what you're saying or doing. Usually organized by arranging major points, and you should only have about 3 to 5 major points. And you want to give information to support each of these points. You must have clear transitions. To use transitions, you can use words such as next, finally, or one reason, another reason, first, second, or third. The information you present in the body of your presentation must be accurate and understandable. Offer enough information about your topic thoroughly and eliminating any unnecessary information. The conclusion should be about 10% of speaking time. It should be short and concise. Tell them what you told them. You want to summarize or highlight the main points. You can emphasize what the audience should have learned. Do not restate everything. A good conclusion ties together the parts of your presentation. You can ask for questions, and if there are no further questions, a simple thank you is enough to finish. After listening to the speech, I hope you guys can take some tips for your next speech. Writing a speech may be hard, but once you get started and follow the parts of the speech with an intro, body, and a conclusion, you should be a pro in no time. Just remember, first you say what you're going to say, then you say it, then you tell them what you've said. Any questions? Thank you.